Guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair a ripped speaker. This is mainly for your mid-range speaker. These are B&C's 12-inch. There's a rip in this one right here, as you can see. You can access it on the back side here. So what I'm going to do is I have a few household products that you can use just so you can keep that rip from opening. Your main thing is, usually what would happen is if there's a rip in your speaker, when you're going to be playing, of course, like voice and stuff, a lot of the vibrations and everything are going to come out of the speaker and you're just going to hear it through your music, so it's not going to be as clear. So you want to repair it as soon as possible. Instead of spending the money to pretty much get a whole new speaker, you can just repair it. But I'm going to be using glue, multi-purpose glue. I was initially probably just going to use, honestly, a piece of paper or towel. Put it right there. Make sure it's glued together. Nothing can really escape it. If not, I was considering using some of this. It's like really hard mesh material to use it for, like holes and stuff. You use it with whenever you're putting compound to fill a hole in. This is what you would be using for the most part. Yeah, we get started. So, let me get some light in here too. Honestly, not gonna need all this anyways. Just need a small section of it. I'd say the main thing also with this is you don't want to put anything on there. It's gonna damage the quality of the voice. So anything that's gonna be like really thick, where the voice isn't gonna be able to escape through the coil, that would be the main thing. I don't know, I'm considering using this. I think it might really hold it really well, honestly. It sticks really well already. But I'm probably just gonna cut a little bit off. Only use probably like less than a quarter of it. Just cut a piece. You guys can see, literally, we put that little piece on there and it stays there perfectly fine. Bring it down just a little bit. This material is already pretty sticky, so it's a plus. Get some of this glued down. Starting off, just do 4 little dots on there. Take your extra paper towel, use it almost like a little brush. Wipe it off, but kind of just spread it a little bit on the sides. once you got that spread out, you can see literally like it'll be there, but we just need to let it dry for a second. Let it sit there. That's what I'm gonna do. Get your paper towel. Yeah, this won't damage the speaker or anything. For those that aren't patient like me, I want to get heat gun, heat it up so it can dry faster. It absorbed it so far pretty well. I think that I'm probably gonna need another piece of this, just kind of stiffen it up a little bit because I kind of want it to be strong, so the hole doesn't flex or anything like that. I mean, eventually, for the front of the speaker, I'm probably gonna put some sort of like sealant on here, so it can stiffen up this material, because you can see that this material is like very, very thin and sensitive, so that's why it's so easy for it to rip. I'm gonna eventually see if I can make this a little stronger. Yeah, I'm gonna dry this really fast, and then goddamn, I'm gonna dry this really fast, and then probably put one more layer down, and then see how it feels. Just getting some just the top. You can see, so like it helps it definitely. The front of the rip is gonna keep moving a little bit, so I think I'm probably gonna have to put one of these in the front, unfortunately. Didn't want to do. And literally just like already black or whatever, just so you can't tell. But I mean, actually that kind of holds really well, honestly. You guys can see. It might be good. I think I'm gonna just do one more, honestly. Probably cut another piece and just do it this way. So that shit's strong as heck, and then we'll call it a day. So one more piece. Do the same thing. paper towel down. Use your finger to pretty much just spread all of it out. Of course, just be careful. This is a magnet. You don't want to put too much heat on it, but if you get to the point where the glue dries, you can kind of see now. So it's like the rip will still be there in some instances, of course, but it's almost just like the sound won't be able to escape from it. I think I might add one to the front just to make this stronger. It is a little weak, I think. Put it on it, I think. That's the main thing. So it's saying from this direction, it's not escaping. Well, I mean, that's probably the direction that matters the most. All right, so far this side's all good. Probably gonna trim the edges a little bit because I don't have any like excess that's sticking out. That side's good. See, solid. I'm gonna put just a little bit more. I'm not gonna use any more of this. I have two of these on the other side. Then I'm just gonna put just a little bit here. And then eventually you obviously want to like paint it and everything and make it look all pretty and stuff. So make a video on that. I'll just cut a little piece here. It's right there. Main thing is you just want to use as little material as possible on this. You don't want to put too much glue. This is a better glue than a lot of the other glues that I see people using online. It's pretty thin. It's pretty close to like almost like a water substance, because you don't want to put too much. Let's just put this with my finger. I don't care. Should have put it on the side, but it's whatever. Just lightly. What I'm doing now, I'm just lightly spreading the glue so it's flat. Don't have big chunks of glue or anything. Pretty much there you have it. That's how it looked like, both sides. Has a little bit of flex, but it'll definitely get the job done. Sure. So yeah, eventually I'm gonna paint all this, all the excess. I'm gonna get some scissors, just kind of clean it up a little bit. But there you go. Here's what the other side kind of looks like. Guys, this is the next day, so I can show you guys. So that's me pressing on it and everything. Like new. I'm gonna paint it eventually so it's all black and you won't even notice it's there, but I need to do that to the other one too. I have the other one in my car. Once I get my car back, then I'm gonna do the same thing, and then I'll do a video of what I use to paint these. For this one, I'm gonna fix this. We're gonna cut this out and glue it, which I'm not trying to do. And there's not really a hole in it. It's more just like pushed in. I might get like a plunger to try to suck it out, pause. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll check you guys later. See you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. You can hit me up here in the comments, or you can DM me, whatever it is. All right, guys, peace.